Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it is based on a very easy and a simple basic stitch, and you can say that my today's video is a treat for you, the persons who are absolute beginners and they do not know any embroidery stitch, or they want to learn a very simple or easy basic embroidery stitch, and they can do wonders with the simple embroidery stitch. So to begin with our treat of today's embroidery collection, that is of Lazy Daisy embroidery. With Lazy Daisy stitch you can do wonder and you can make a lot of very beautiful, eye-catching, mesmerizing and very stylish and unique design patterns. You can design your shirts, t-shirts, sweaters, cardigans, ponchos. You can also design your baby girl frocks, baby girl shirts, baby girl dresses. You can also make jewelry like pendants, earrings and different types of DIY hoop art for decorating your walls, and some sort of very easy all over patterns for the designing of your face masks. You can also use these very beautiful floral patterns of embroidery. You can decorate your pillows, cushion covers, and with the very beautiful and easy Lazy Daisy embroidery borders you can make scarves, shawls. Even you can design these onto your shirts, neck, sleeve borders, and many more different creative ideas. Like you can design your jeans, denim fabric like denim jacket. Even you can make your table mats. You can decorate your different types of fashionable accessories, like you can embroider these patterns onto your bags, ladies bags, clutch, purse. You can also design very beautiful and eye-catchy different type of DIY designing patterns, and all type of very easy and very less time required, very less effort required design patterns are being shown. So don't hesitate, go with the flow, try these patterns and share your experiences with us. Hope to see you soon back in my channel. Friends, I would remind you that all of these patterns only required a focused attention of only 5 to 10 minutes, and an individual embroidery flower could be made in only 1 minute. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon back in my videos on my channel in my new content. Up to that, don't forget to like and subscribe.